Hi everyone, welcome back to Liberty Park Music. Today we'll be learning Kiss Me by Sixpence, None the Richer. And as usual, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, let's jump right in. So there are three key things that we'll be focusing on in this song. The first thing is the B minor bar chord and how to change from different chords to the B minor chord or change from the B minor chord. And the second thing is the single string picking between our strumming patterns, so something like this. And the last thing we'll be focusing on are the three strumming variations that go throughout this song. The strumming pattern just changes quite a bit, so you gotta focus on which section you're currently on to use the right strumming pattern. Alright, let's jump right into the song structure, then we'll check out the chords. So this is the chord chart for this song, and the song structure is pretty simple as well. So it begins with an intro section, followed by an A section, then a B section, then the first interlude, followed by another A section, another B section, followed by the second interlude, then an instrumental solo, which is basically the first half of the B section, then the B section, and an outro. Now let's take a look at the chords that we'll be using throughout this song. But before we do that, I have to mention that if you want to play along with the studio recording of the song, you will need a capo on the first fret, and then you just play the same chords with the capo on the first fret. But just in case some of you don't have one ready, let's just do this without the capo first. So the chords that we'll need are your D major, a D major 7, a D7, a G major that I play like this, an E minor 7, and just an E minor, an A major, an A sus4, a B minor, which is a bar chord, and an A/C sharp, which is a bit of a bar chord as well.